Hello everyone, welcome to Neurosapiens.
In today's tutorial, we'll learn how to exclude a data point for a visualization that we create in Tableau Public Desktop Edition. The data set that we'll be using today is going to be the Complete Pokemon data set. So what I'm going to do first is I'll drag and drop this data set into my Tableau Public Desktop session. Now that the data set has loaded, I'm going to go to my worksheet here in orange called Sheet 1. I'm going to drag a measure against dragon to columns and against poison to rows. Right now it's one data point because it's aggregated both the measured values together as a sum. I'm going to drag a dimension called type 1 to color, and this will break it apart based on the type. So we have bug, dark, other types like steel and water and rock, and so on. And so now we can see for each data point, let's say normal, the against dragon total value and against poison total value. And here we have grass and the against dragon and against poison total value for each measure. If I wanted to exclude this data point, I can right click on it, go to the option from the bottom up, the third option. Here it's called exclude. I'm going to click on exclude, and it's going to exclude and remove that data point from my scatter plot here. And so there you have it. This is how we can exclude a data point for a scatter plot data visualization that we create in Tableau Public Desktop Edition.
If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and click the notification bell for weekly videos. Please share the video with anyone who you think would benefit from the content and comment below what topics you would like to learn. If you would like to support this channel and have the means to do so, the best way will be via my Patreon link in the description below. Happy learning, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.